Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class we learn days we celebrate. We are continuing learning block 3, children. So we learnt about the family tree and also what role we play in our family. Today we are going to learn the days we celebrate. You can see the picture how happy they are celebrating Diwali. Yes, no, children, let us get started. Aim of today's class is we already know that we celebrate different festivals. Today we will learn about the different ways festivals are celebrated. So different festivals we celebrate, we all know that. But how are we celebrating in different ways? Each festival is celebrated in its own way. So that's what today we are going to see, children. So for today's class you have two keywords, hoist and traditional. So what does the word hoist means? Hoist means, see here, to raise a flag. So during the national festivals, the flag hoisting is a part of the celebration. So hoist means to raise a flag on a pole. Traditional, something that has been followed or done for a long time. So traditional means something has been followed by a family or a country or a group of people for a long time becomes the tradition. So traditional, two words, hoist, H-O-I-S-T, hoist, T-R-A-D-I-T-I-O-N-A-L. Both the words you should know the spelling and also you should know the meanings, children. So to learn about the learn about the lesson, here we have a activity. Just you see the colorful pictures here and you are going to identify the different festivals, children. See the first picture. So you see the complete house is illuminated, that is lit with diyas. So what festival it is, children? Very good. Diwali. You can write in your notebook, Diwali. And just you think and keep ready. How do we celebrate this festival? Diwali, how do we celebrate? Now you see here, children. Next festival you see. Everybody is busy greeting each other. And yes, this is Eid, children. So you can think one way how it is celebrated. Now you see the beautiful picture. The family is decorating the tree, a tree. What is this festival, children? Very good. It is the Christmas. And you think and keep ready. How do we celebrate Christmas? Now you see, happily children are playing with colors. So can you identify the festival? Very good. It is the Holi. So the four pictures and also there is another, see here, children. See here. So this is a festival and you can see the crops there. So from that you can identify that it is a harvest festival, Baisakhi, and like this many harvest festivals are celebrated in our country. Let us see that, children. So see here, 5 different pictures are there and each one is of different festival and the way it is celebrated also different, no, children. For example, if you take Diwali, on the day we will light diyas. Yes, on the Eid we will greet others and we will do namaz together. And on Christmas, they decorate the Christmas tree and children will be waiting for the Santa Claus to get the gifts, no, children. And on Holi, we play with colors. And on Baisakhi or Onam or Pongal, different harvest festivals are there in our country. So during those festivals, they will pray to Sun God and they will prepare some sweets like Pongal. Yes, no, children. So see how the festivals are celebrated in different ways. Now let us watch one video to understand it better, children.
We celebrate special days with our family and friends. National days are celebrated by the whole country. We also celebrate festivals like Diwali, Eid, and Christmas. We decorate our houses and eat special dishes and sweets. We enjoy festivals with our friends and family.
Yes, children, you have seen the video how they are celebrated each festival in different way. So family celebrations like birthday, wedding day, then later the festivals like national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate all whole India will celebrate that, and festivals like Onam, uh, Diwali, Eid, Christmas is also celebrated throughout the world, and we celebrate in generally we decorate the houses, we do prayers and pujas, and also special dishes are prepared on these days, no children. So let us see, in one sentence tell about the celebrations in each picture. That's what I told you to keep it ready, and we also discussed. So let us see, we decorate our homes and eat sweets during Diwali. So the first picture, no, Diwali. We celebrate Holi with colors. We decorate Christmas trees on Christmas and meet people on Eid. Not all of us celebrate Baisakhi, but some people celebrate it by eating food and dancing. So dancing is also a part of our celebration, children. So now, how do we celebrate different festivals? So we celebrate festivals like Diwali, Eid, Holi, Baisakhi, Onam is a harvest festival with our friends and family. We eat special dishes and sweets. We decorate our homes. We wear new clothes. Baisakhi and Onam are festivals celebrated during harvesting season. Some people dance and eat traditional dishes to celebrate these festivals with family and friends. So different festivals are celebrated in different way, and generally all the festivals we decorate the home, we will celebrate with our friends and family, and also we wear new clothes, we prepare special dishes, and also we have lot of fun that day by dancing and singing songs. What are the other special days apart from festivals that we celebrate with friends and family? So what are the other special days, children? Yeah, that's what, even the birthdays, wedding anniversaries of the people in our family, we celebrate them. Father's Day, Mother's Day, Grandparents' Day are also celebrated by us, and even the national festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti is also been celebrated, no children, by the whole country. We celebrate special days like birthdays and wedding anniversaries. We also celebrate the New Year, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and Grandparents' Day with our family and friends. We also celebrate national days like Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti in the school or in our neighborhood by hoisting flags, that is, raising the flag on a pole and singing the national anthem. National days are celebrated by the whole country. Mother's Day and Father's Day are celebrated by the whole world, whereas birthdays and anniversaries are celebrated by the families. No children. So now, let us see what is given in your content book, children. Let us see what is given in the content book, children. So lesson 3, days we celebrate. We celebrate special days with our family and friends. We celebrate birthdays, marriage anniversaries, that is wedding anniversary, and festivals. We celebrate festivals like Diwali, Eid, Holi, and Christmas. We decorate our houses, make sweets, and cook different dishes. We enjoy ourselves with our friends and family members. You can see the pictures, children. The first picture you can see how they are decorating the Christmas tree. Next picture you can see how they are greeting each other, that is on the Eid after the prayer. You can see this girl, how beautifully she is decorating the home with the rangoli with flowers. Yes. You can see, children, how the children are happy holding the flag. So some festivals like Onam and Baisakhi are celebrated after major crops are cut in the fields. Yes, that is about the harvest festivals, Baisakhi and Onam. Onam is celebrated in the Kerala and Baisakhi in various parts of our country like Punjab and all, children. So Republic Day, that is 26th January, Independence Day on August 15, and Mahatma Gandhi's birthday on October 2nd are celebrated by all the people in our country. These are called national festivals. We raise the national flag and sing songs to celebrate. You can see there the picture how the children are holding the flag. Yes, no children. We also celebrate special days like Mother's Day, Father's Day, and Grandparents' Day. These days are celebrated all over the world. So, from this, you can understand that different festivals are celebrated. Some of them are our family celebrations like birthday, wedding anniversary of your parents and grandparents. Some of them are celebrated by so many people, to a large number of people. They are the festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and some of them are national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Even some more occasions also we celebrate like Mother's Day, Father's Day, to show our love and affection to the loved ones in our family children. So now let us see what is given in the workbook children as usual. See here. So days we celebrate 3.3. Again I repeat children, 3.3 in your workbook. Date you please write, and you see the picture children. See that from the picture you can identify what type of festival it is and how. Please take open your content book also, you keep it ready so that it will be easy for you to get the spellings and write it children. So name the festival shown in the pictures. So A1 you see, very good, Diwali. So spelling you can get from the content book and you can write. Next one you see children, Santa Claus picture is there. So what festival? Very good, it is Christmas. So spelling you can see the content book and you can write children. Write one thing. Second question A. Write one thing you do to celebrate your favorite festival. So on a favorite festival, your favorite, it can be Diwali, it can be Pongal, it can be Christmas or Eid. So how will you celebrate? Yes, generally we wear new clothes, we decorate house, we meet our relatives and friends, we eat special food. So any one you can write. It is again from the content book you can get the spellings and you can write children. B1, write one thing related to this festival. So which festival you are going to draw? See the pictures in the content book. So which is your favorite festival? One thing you draw from that. For example, Diwali means you can draw the diyas. Eid means you can draw the children greeting. Christmas means you can draw the Christmas tree. So it's up to you to complete this children. Third question, write how the way we celebrate Independence Day is different from how you celebrate your favorite festival. So your favorite festival, how will you celebrate? And Independence Day, how do we celebrate? So Independence Day is a national festival. So we will hoist the flag. But on our favorite festival like Diwali, we will not hoist the flag. No children. So one difference. So you see the pictures and read the content from the content book, page number 20 and 21, 2-3 times. Then you will be able to answer this third question on your own children. So complete this part. Now let us see the practice questions in our practice questions are there in your page number 21. You see children. Write one festival you celebrate with your family. So any one festival name you think, and from the spelling you can pick from there and write. Write one special day you celebrate with your family like Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, you can write. Second question, write one thing you do on Independence Day. Yes, we will hoist the flag. We will sing national anthem. You can write any one children. Write 3 sentences about Independence Day. So it is there in your content book only. Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th every year. We hoist flag. We sing national anthem. All the spellings are there in your content book only. See and complete this part children. So festivals, days we celebrate, content book 20 and 21, read again and again, complete the works given and be ready for the next class children. Bye bye children.